through talking to scientists, through understanding what they're doing, through interaction, we can speculate on near future, everyday life, what it might be like should those technologies evolve in that direction.
Distance gets less, and you get the force goes mass goes up.
So the main project we're doing is looking at the role of infrastructure, so reconstraining infrastructure. So the infrastructure that we've been focusing on is energy.
これが何ボルトで動くかもわからない。
じゃあ次もう一回その羽付けを。
It brings a slightly, I wouldn't say flippant, but unrealistic, comical edge to it. The idea of the last 15 minutes is a fiction, and speculative design for me is very much looking at how we manage fiction. Very slowly. But I think I chose this 15-minute period because it reflects a lot for me what design is about, is sort of satisfying the complex desires of people. So if someone is really contemplating well that 15-minute period, your last 15 minutes of life, and somehow sharing that with a product that's going to bring some satisfaction or some pleasure to that very bizarre imaginary period of time. It talks a lot about what design is, but then crashing that with this need of thinking about energy because the system's broken down, the infrastructure's gone, it then makes us think about energy. So it's first and foremost design and satisfaction of desire.
You could enjoy it as a family, so the elderly and the
But
kids
then
and the parents.
looking at the energy needs that would be, you'd have to figure out how to solve these problems when we stop taking energy for granted. And it's been great. I think some of the teams got quite into the mathematics involved, so they were looking at heating water for a foot bath with their family. And the sums are amazing because normally you'd plug that hot water bath into the wall and it would be hot in a certain period of time and you wouldn't think twice. They found out it would need something like 15 small wind turbines, each 2 or 3 meters across to generate the power that they need on a particularly windy day. And it suddenly is quite revealing. It makes it very tangible how much energy it takes to heat a body of water.
The chemicals are filled in the space between.
And I think this was, for me, the breakthrough for all of the teams is really starting to think differently about energy. That's what I was hoping to get out of the project, is to change the way young designers think about energy and design for energy.